In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about ChatGPT 4 that you have to know, which is really a great tool to use, even though it is a paid plan. But after this video, you will know everything you need to know for this product and to start using it. So definitely make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But now let's get right into this. Alright, I am on the OpenAI website here and we have ChatGPT right here. And it can first of all combat problems with greater accuracy. So it's better than ChatGPT 3, which is not a big surprise since it's obviously the updated version. But what it can do is, first of all, it's more creative. So it can do a lot of different things and tasks, and is way better at writing in ChatGPT 3. And as you guys can see, it scores higher amongst test takers. So here it got 90th place and here 99th. So it's way better now. And yeah, it has been done research on this for 6 months and they have done a great job at building ChatGPT 4. Also, it's great because it's integrated in a lot of different apps, such as, for example, Duolingo, or also Be My Eyes, where you can scan products, and a lot of other different things. So now let's go to the next tab, and here we have visual input. What is really revolutionary about this is you can now upload an image to ChatGPT 4, and it can detect what kind of things there are in this image. For example, with this image right here, with their eggs, flour, and something else, butter in here. And then you can ask it, what can I make with these ingredients? And just the reason it can detect this is so great. For example, the output is pancakes, crepes, cake, and cupcakes. So a lot of different things, and it can just output that based on this image, which is so crazy. Also, if we go on longer content, it is way better at writing things because it can handle over 25,000 words of text. And that is why it's great for creating long form content now. And you can, for example, create a whole ebook in one go with this ChatGPT 4 now, while it wasn't able to do that with ChatGPT 3. You had to create different parts separately, but now it can just generate the whole thing in one go, which is so powerful. And that is basically everything I had for you today. But these are really the most important things you have to know about ChatGPT 4, and now you should really consider to buy that subscription. It is $20 a month for ChatGPT 4, and yeah, you can then get started with creating long form content, visual input, and more creativity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.